Olá mundo, tudo bem? O vídeo de hoje é um vídeo daquele que vocês amam, um vídeo de faxina. E hoje é um vídeo muito especial que eu tô fazendo uma parceria com o canal da Clau, o canal Mamãe aos 28. Então a gente resolveu fazer uma faxina pesada na cozinha. Então se você quer conferir o vídeo dela, a faxina que ela fez na cozinha dela, o canal dela vai estar aqui embaixo. Eu indico vocês assistirem todos os vídeos dela, que ela trata de maternidade. Ela tem um filho que é muito fofo, então ela mostra aí nos vídeos. Ela mostra a rotina dela, ela cozinhando, ela limpando a casa, tudo que vocês gostam ela mostra lá. Então se você quer conferir o canal dela, quer conferir a faxina que ela fez naquela cozinha maravilhosa dela, tá aqui embaixo o link pra vocês assistirem, tá bom? No vídeo eu editei ele sem som, então eu só fui fazendo rapidinho. Se eu parasse pra mostrar tudo que eu tava fazendo, o vídeo ia ficar muito longo, então eu faço assim pra ficar mais rápido, tá bom? Tá na frente da câmera.
I know you feel like you want me, and I guess in a way you do. Holding my breath, unraveling emotions. I need some space to think this through. Call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I need. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you, I would rather lie to you. I promise, now's not the right time. Yeah, I don't wanna fight with you, I would rather lie to you. Look away so you won't see, cause the pain is in my eyes. Feels like I could break it any moment and shatter your insides. If you feel my mind, call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I need. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry, and I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I promise now's not the right time, and I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I would rather lie. I would rather lie. I don't wanna fight. I would rather lie to you. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry, and I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. Call me all night long, try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I need. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry, and I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I promise now's not the right time, and I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I would rather lie. I would rather lie. I don't wanna fight. I would rather lie to you. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry, and I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie. I would rather lie. Here's why you don't say how you feel. The monsters are real under your bed. Do they keep you awake? All the shapes on the wall. And here's why you don't get what you want. Your courage is strong, but you anchor down. Toss a dream in a lake, break the leaves as they fall. Tempted by the face in the hall? Are you tempted by the face in the hall? Tempted by the face in the hall? You saw her everywhere with a broom. Imagine a sail in the captain's coat, his paper boat floating down street, fast as the rain. Oh, you're fast as rain. So you craft a cocoon, you give yourself room, storm gutter so dance like the caterpillars, all in a strange, strange way. Tempted by the face in the hall? Are you tempted by the face in the hall? Tempted by the face in the hall? You saw her everywhere with a broom. face in the hall? Are you tempted by the face in the hall? Tempted by the face in the hall, you saw her everywhere.
Tchau!